In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can use Liquify in Affinity 3. So to use Liquify, there are two options. I will first show you how you can use Liquify, but this will be a destructive method. So if I select this image here, I get this work bar on top and we have Liquify here. So if I press this, we're getting into the Liquify workspace. You can see this mesh, and then you can see all these options: push forward, push left, all these options in the Liquify tool. Now, if I use Liquify, as you can see here, I can just play around with it, make it look completely weird, make it twirl. And if I'm happy, I press apply and it will be applied to my picture. But the thing is that when you use Liquify on top here, it's a destructive method. So meaning I cannot change my Liquify anymore. It's one layer here, and that one layer has now been liquefied. So you can't change it. Let's Control Command Z to undo all this. The other option you have to have a non-destructive liquify is selecting the picture and then going below here in your layers window, choose filter, and here choose liquify. And we're getting in the same liquify workspace, as you can see. I'm going to zoom in a bit, and I will make this eye a bit weird, and this one as well. And let's now press done. And as you can see here, I have my layer, and beneath my layer, there is a Liquify layer, meaning that if I disable this one, this is without Liquify, this is with the Liquify. And if you want to change your Liquify, you can just double press the icon of the Liquify layer, and you get back into the Liquify workspace, and you can change things around. Just like that. And you press done, and it's added to the Liquify layer of your picture, and your picture hasn't been liquefied itself. It's a new layer on top of it. So that's how you can easily use Liquify tool in Affinity 3. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.